Very good.
Thank you. Okay, Maria Victoria.
All right, so do you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, well, oh, sorry.
Yes.
Well, sometimes I like to start it right like this. Do you see my pointer as well, the arrow?
Yes.
Yes.
Just to make sure. All right, so, well, at first I wrote advanced course of legal English, but as Adela says, we're not actually working with an advanced level. Let's use an intermediate form of English, and I hope you all feel fit for it. It's
Yes,
always,
but remember that we baptized the whole course as advanced. Okay.
oh, sorry,
Go on.
I forgot.
Okay.
Yes, very good. So
Okay.
I'll change it next time.
Okay, next time. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Afterwards, well, first let's do, this is the first part of the lesson, and then we are going to talk about the format in which I usually delivered lessons, and well, we'll get to that later. All right, so were you able to download all of this material on the links that I sent it to you? It's just for you to have it. It's not necessary to use it now. All right, so I'll take that as a
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Very
Yes, yes.
good. Yes. All right. So who can read this? Who wants it? Juan Ignacio?
Making a claim in the civil court.
Civil court. Very good. Romina, can you read it? Can you read the next part here?
In the English American system, we divide the law into two main areas.
Maria?
Criminal law.
Maria Victoria?
Maria Victoria is absent for a minute.
Right. Who else is?
Agustin.
Is it? Agustin.
Okay.
Civil law.
Civil law.
Okay.
Very good. Is our system also, the Argentine system, also divided into civil and criminal?
Yes, and many others.
Many others. So let's see, maybe Agustin, how many others are there? Can you tell me? Or maybe the ones that are lawyers, Maria.
Agustin is a lawyer.
Yes.
I'm a lawyer. Yes.
Yes, I know. That's why. That's why I
Okay.
said.
Which is the
Well, tell us.
question? I don't listen well.
Well, the
Adela
question
said
is,
that we have the same way the English American system has got two main areas, the criminal and civil law.
Yes.
The Argentine system also has, apart from the criminal and civil, it has several others. Can you tell me any other?
Employee law,
employment law.
family law,
Law.
family
Yes.
law. I work in mining law.
Mining, yes, very good.
Mining law.
Well, maybe Maria, who wants to go on answering, maybe she knows.
Administrative law.
Administrative.
Yes.
All right. Maybe administrative. Sorry, I didn't.
No, don't go for it. Awful. No,
Sorry,
please.
yes. It's okay.
Corporate law.
Corporate,
Corporate.
yes. Company law. Company law.
Company.
Company?
Well, it's all here. Here, it's all
Okay.
included in English. In the English system, it's I think it's also included right there on civil law. Is there
Okay.
anything within our system different as regards criminal law? Do we also divide the criminal law into different areas?
Perhaps execution of taxes or
Taxes.
criminal procedural law. Other
Interesting.
branches related to criminal law, perhaps.
do any of the lawyers here work with in criminal law?
No.
No, I
I
don't.
take that as a no. Very good. Let's go on. Oh, sorry. Yeah, not annotate. Yes.
The impositive criminal law.
Yes.
Yeah.
Juan Ignacio, can you read the final part here?
This means that everything that is not a criminal matter is a civil matter.
Sorry for the annotation right there. So now you know everything that is not criminal is civil. For future
In
reference,
the Anglo-Saxon
civil-
system.
in the English American system, and I
Yes.
also think in the British system as well, because I didn't found an exception. So
Yes.
let's move on. Sorry. Oh, let me see. Can I erase it?
Apparently not.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
I can do it. You see, I'm resourceful.
Great.
Right. Yes. No, not annotate. Yes. All right. So what do these words mean? I'm going to show you a word, and any one of you can tell me what you think it means. It's just like a warm up. I just want to know how much you know about the topic. Oh, sorry. Where is it? All right. Romina, what is criminal law? Can you give me a definition?
Romina is
She knows nothing about it.
I'm not a lawyer, but is when people can lose his freedom. If he
Lose the
commits
freedom. It's
Yes.
rather interesting.
As a
Very good.
penalty.
Thank you very much.
Yes, yes.
Well,
you're right.
maybe, well, who wants to guess what criminal law means? What is criminal law?
penal.
Penal, yes. But anyone else? Maybe Maria Victoria, Maria, Agustin. What is criminal law to you? What is the definition?
It's a set of norm about penal law. Or
Yes.
Interesting. Yes, that's a very good definition. Well, maybe anyone else? Juan Ignacio, Maria.
It is in relation with the prosecution of criminals by the state.
Very good.
Excellent.
I really like that answer. Can you read it, Juan Ignacio?
Yes, the law that punishes acts against a person or a property that people consider to be harmful to the whole community. The state prosecutes criminals.
So you're right, the state prosecutes criminals, and all of you pay attention to that. Prosecution, prosecutes. That's a very, that's the verb that collocates when you talk about
Criminal.
starting proceeds against someone in criminal law. You prosecute a criminal. This is not a lesson about criminal law, so we're not going to look deeper into it. So, all right, maybe, Agustin, can you give me a definition of civil law?
Or perhaps Maria?
Sorry, is Agustin there?
it's a set of norms about the um,
Well, if you cannot do it, maybe someone else would like to give their opinion. Maria, Maria Victoria, Romina, Juan Ignacio.
If
I
not,
think it's the
okay.
law that regulates the relationship between two private parties,
yes.
I
two
really
persons,
love,
two people.
really love that definition. Very good, Maria. Can you read it?
sorry, the law concerning the rights and duties of private individuals and companies rather than criminal matters.
Very good. So now you all know that's what civil law means. It's the law concerning the rights of private individuals and companies, and not criminal matters. Remember what we said previously. Everything that is not criminal is civil. It sounds obvious, but well, you just said it. In our system, we have different, many areas, so it may not seem so easy to understand. Very good. Well, is Maria Victoria there?
No,
Maybe she's not
No.
there. All right.
not
No.
yet.
Okay.
Romina, can you tell me what is a matter to you? Have you ever seen that word, matter?
In legal English, I don't know.
No, not in legal English, but in general, that is a word not just for legal English, in general.
A problem, something to work with.
To work with, yes. I think, Romina, can you read it? You were right.
Yes, a subject or situation, for example, a civil matter, a criminal matter.
All right, so now you all know how we use the word matter in legal English.
Mhm.
All right.
Matter? Criminal matter.
Yes, civil matter, criminal matter. All right, maybe Maria Victoria is not there. All right, Juan Ignacio, are you there? Yes, he's right there.
Yes.
Very good. Juan Ignacio, what is a will? Have you ever seen that word?
Yes. I don't know perhaps how to say a synonym, but I think it's testamento.
Yes, that's the word in Spanish. Can you give
Yes.
me a definition in English? What a will may be?
It's like a document where a person mentions how can I say it? His or her goods. When he or she dies, he tells to which person will become the owner of those goods.
Excellent. Yes.
Yes. Yes, and you were right. Agustin, can you read it? Or maybe you, Juan Ignacio.
Yes.
A legal document in which a person gives details about what they
Sorry,
happen
it says
to
when they want to happen.
what they want to happen to the property after their death.
Their death. To the lawyers here, how do we call the area of law that deals with wills? It had a
Derecho
name.
sucesorio.
Yes. Well,
Yes.
It's all, well, you know that it's all here, it's civil law, so there
Yes.
is no difference in derecho sucesorio, is it? You said it, I think.
Yes. In Spanish, it's
Yes.
sucesorio. Okay.
Well, very good. Who else is there? I tried to make it different. Yes. Well, Agustin, is Agustin there?
No, it's not there. It's not there. There. Juan Ignacio, Romy, and Maria. And Maria Victoria
Yes.
is not there.
I see them,
Right.
but I just wanted to know. Maria Victoria is
Okay.
not there either.
No, because she left for a while.
Right. So Maria Victoria is gone.
Oh.
Okay, Romina, what is to steal?
To take something that is from another person.
Excellent. Yes.
It's exactly
I
what it
think so.
means. From another person. Do we usually have a purpose when we steal something?
The purpose.
Yes,
Purpose.
a purpose. Do we normally have a purpose? Well, sorry.
Not
No,
every
it's
time.
okay. Let's
The
move on.
difficult one.
Very good, Romina. You were right. It's to take something that
No,
doesn't
no
belong.
tengo mucha experiencia en stealing, así que no sé.
Well,
Esperemos que la tengamos.
that was my. Well, I was trying to lead you into it. Can you read it?
Okay, yes. To take something that belongs to someone else with the intention of keeping it.
Well, all right. So
Intention
that
to
can
keep
be
it.
our intention if we want to steal
Yes.
something. We want
Now
to
I
keep,
understand. Yeah.
keep it. Yes. Very good. So now we're going to do an activity. Sorry, I want to.
Tomás, sorry to interrupt. Are you recording it?
Yes.
Yes, it's
Yes.
it
Yes,
should be
is it
recording.
recording?
Yes, yours.
I cannot see whether it's recording.
But I think
Yes, I
recorded.
see
Where
it.
is it?
Okay, thank you,
Where is
thank
it?
you.
I cannot
Go
see
on,
it.
please. Okay, go on, please.
No, but now I'm scared. Did I record it? Yes, I did.
But yes, that
Yes,
you are
yes.
recording. Okay.
It says recording.
Right.
Okay,
Sorry, I cannot stop sharing. Yes, right there. Yeah, it's recording. Very good. 9 minutes and we stop the recording. Don't worry.
okay.
When you're recording, cannot, yeah. Right. Sorry, I cannot. Right. Sorry,
Don't worry. Go on, please.
Yes.
Don't worry for the
Yes, yes.
recording. To seal.
Yes. Sorry, is that? Yes. Very good. Is that there is a top bar that doesn't allow me to see. Okay, maybe. All right, I'm going to give you all a link here. And this is for the activities that I prepared. But
Okay, can you
I
copy
don't-
it in the chat box? In the chat box, can you copy it, the link?
yes, I'm going to do it. It's just that, are you acquainted with this application, Jamboard? I'm going to show it now. It's an
Like a
interactive
whiteboard.
application. Let me just, thing is that chat box, yes. All right, all of you, click into this link in the chat box. Do you see that? Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Yes.
All right,
Okay.
all of you click on it and don't worry. Just click it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'm here.
Sorry?
Yes, I'm here in the whiteboard.
I don't see anyone else. That's why I'm not sure, but well, yes.
I'm into.
The Jamboard.
Interesting, because I don't see anyone connected, but it's okay if you're there. Don't worry, because we're going to do a set of activities that, for example, here, Romina, can you read this? Do you see the screen?
Yes.
What is on the screen? Okay.
Look at these situations and decide if the person needs a criminal lawyer or a civil lawyer. In other words, is it a criminal matter or a civil matter?
Very good. So now we're going.
Tomás,
Yes.
let's clarify that in the Jamboard, there's the second page.
Sorry. Yes.
Second page,
The
that's
second
it.
slide here. Do you see this?
Yeah.
This arrow, it says
Exercise
frame,
one.
siguiente marco.
Yes.
If you click on it, you can go to the next ones and do this and this and this. And so you can be
On the second
here
slide,
on frame number 2. Can you do it?
I'm there.
Maybe one of you can do something like this so that I know.
Okay.
Yes, very good. I like it.
Okay, let's see.
Interesting.
Okay, I did it.
Very good.
No, solo estoy mirando por el Zoom, ahora que me doy cuenta.
Don't worry, if you don't want to participate or you don't know how or you cannot do it, it's okay. I'll do it for you. So
Okay.
for example, here on this exercise, it's what Romina just said. We have to, oh, sorry. You have to decide if the person needs a criminal lawyer or a civil lawyer. So do you remember which was the factor that determined whether a civil matter, or I mean, whether a case was criminal or civil?
In our previous definitions.
In
Definition?
criminal, mhm.
Tell us.
The state prosecutes criminals. It's the law that punishes acts against the person or the property that people consider to be harmful to the whole community.
Yes. So, for example, in all of these situations, we're going to read them, and you're going to tell me, does the person need a criminal or a civil lawyer for the type of offense, or maybe of case, certain litigation, whatever? I mean, for the type of case that we are talking about, do we need a civil or a criminal lawyer? Oh, sorry, no.
Okay.
Scratch that. Is it a criminal or a civil matter? You tell me.
Okay.
Right, Juan
Okay.
Ignacio, can you read it? Can you read this one here? A.
Yes. Mr. Bellerby is opening a new factory. He needs to visit a lawyer to get a contract for all of his employees to sign.
So does the person need no, sorry, is it a criminal or a civil matter?
Civil matter.
Yes, and
Right.
take into account, Juan Ignacio, that in Argentina, it should be named as derecho laboral. Yes, employment law. But what they are trying to differentiate is between criminal matters and civil matters as two different areas of the law. I think that when they say civil law, they say what in Argentina we say derecho privado como opuesto a derecho